We have always thought of black holes as objects of pure destruction, cosmic vacuum cleaners from which nothing, not even light, can escape. They are the universe's dead ends, the ultimate prisons of matter and energy. But what if we have been looking at them from the wrong perspective? What if our view from the outside is completely misleading? A mind-bending theory suggests that our entire universe, with all its galaxies, stars, and life, might exist inside the event horizon of a black hole that itself exists in a larger, parent universe. This would mean that black holes are not endings, but beginnings. They are not tombs, but wombs. And the Big Bang, our supposed moment of creation, was nothing more than the other side of a black hole's formation. We are not looking out into the cosmos. We are looking around from inside one of its most extreme objects. The universe is not what it seems. The idea sounds like pure fiction, but it is rooted in a deep problem at the heart of modern physics, the singularity. According to general relativity, when a massive star collapses, it forms a point of infinite density and zero volume, a singularity where the laws of physics as we know them break down completely. Physicists are deeply uncomfortable with infinities. An infinity in an equation is usually a red flag, a sign that the theory is incomplete and that something else must be happening. The singularity is not a description of reality. It is a description of our theory's failure. What if, instead of collapsing to an impossible point, the matter that falls into a black hole is compressed to an unimaginable density and then bounces, expanding to create a new, fresh universe on the other side? This new universe would be causally disconnected from the parent universe that birthed it, forever hidden behind the one-way membrane of the event horizon. This theory, known as cosmological natural selection or the Fecund universes theory, paints a picture of a cosmic ecosystem. Each black hole in a parent universe could be a seed for a new baby universe. Our universe, then, would simply be one of these offspring. The Big Bang was not a beginning from nothing, but a transition from a state of extreme compression. This model elegantly explains why our universe is expanding. It is the natural outcome of the cosmic bounce that created it. It also offers a potential explanation for the arrow of time. Time in our universe flows forward, away from the Big Bang, because that is the direction of the expansion. From our perspective inside, we are moving away from our creation. From the perspective of an observer in the parent universe, matter is simply falling into a black hole. Two different perspectives on the very same event. This radical idea also provides a framework for a kind of cosmic evolution. If a universe creates black holes, and each black hole creates a new universe, then universes that are good at making black holes will have more offspring. The physical constants of a baby universe might be slightly different from its parent, like a form of cosmic mutation. Over countless generations of universes, the ones with physical constants that are optimized for producing massive stars, the kind that create black holes, would become the most common. Our universe appears to be finely tuned for life, but perhaps that is just a side effect. It is actually finely tuned for producing stars massive enough to collapse into black holes, thereby creating more universes like it. We are not the point of the universe. We are just lucky passengers in a cosmos that is exceptionally good at reproducing itself. The universe is bigger and stranger than we can possibly imagine. To keep exploring these mind-bending concepts and reality-altering theories that challenge the very foundation of our existence, subscribe now to CosmoQuest 888 and ring the notification bell. Let us fall down the cosmic rabbit hole together to see how deep it truly goes. What would it feel like to live inside a black hole? The answer is surprisingly simple. It would feel exactly like this. We would not feel compressed or trapped. From our internal perspective, our universe would appear vast, open, and potentially infinite, just as it does now. The event horizon of the parent black hole that contains us would be far beyond the edge of our own observable universe. It is a boundary we could never reach. Because space itself is expanding faster than we could ever travel, the edge of our existence is not a wall, but a receding horizon we can never touch. The creation event, the bounce that we call the Big Bang, would be our perceived beginning of time and space. We would be completely and utterly unaware of the parent universe outside. We would be like a civilization living on a single island in a vast ocean, with no knowledge of the continents that might lie beyond the horizon. Our laws of physics would be self-contained and consistent within our cosmic bubble. We would have no reason to suspect we were living inside anything larger. This theory of a universe within a black hole also offers a potential solution to one of physics' most vexing problems, the black hole information paradox. According to quantum mechanics, information can never be truly destroyed, but according to classical physics, anything that falls into a black hole is lost forever, its information erased from the universe. This contradiction has puzzled physicists for decades. But if the information is not destroyed, but is instead passed through the singularity and used to set the conditions for a new baby universe, then the paradox is resolved. The information is not lost, it is recycled. It becomes the blueprint for the next generation. The complexity and structure of our own universe could be a direct result of all the matter and energy and information that fell into its parent black hole over eons. We could be made from the stuff of a dead, ancient cosmos, reborn and reconfigured in our own. This completely reframes our place in the cosmos. It removes the need for a single, unique creation event that came from absolute nothingness, a concept that is philosophically and scientifically problematic. Instead, it places us within an eternal, ongoing process of cosmic birth and rebirth. Our universe is not a standalone masterpiece, but one link in an infinite chain, one tree in an endless forest of universes, each budding off from the other. It implies that there is an outside, apparent reality that we can never access or even prove exists. We are forever confined to our own bubble, our own pocket of space-time. The black holes we observe in our own night sky take on a new, profound meaning. We see them as endings, as points of no return. But if this theory is correct, they are also gateways. Each one could be a seed, a potential parent to a new universe that will one day blossom, hidden from our view. When we look out at the cosmos, we see a history of violence and creation. We see stars being born and dying. We see galaxies colliding. We see black holes devouring everything around them. We see all this from what we assume is a stable, overarching reality. But the truth may be that we are inside the most violent and creative object of all. Our perception is limited by our position. The distinction between inside and outside is merely a matter of perspective. The physics that describes a collapsing star from the outside is also the physics that describes an expanding universe from the inside. They are two sides of the same cosmic coin. The universe is not what we thought it was. It is a mystery nested within an enigma, a reality born from a paradox. And we are the inhabitants of the inside.